Hi, I'm Viola Lykova. I'm a software engineer, and I build and test user-facing system where auth failures can take down the real journeys. Most auth bugs don't happen on the login page. They happen after login, where real users hit messy states, session expire and bounce them in loops, repeated attempts trigger lockouts or rate limits, and password reset links fail because tokens are invalid or expired. So in this video, I'll show 3 Cypress tests you actually want in your CI, one for each failure mode. We'll run them, and I'll highlight the key Cypress commands so you can reuse the pattern. Let's start with sessions. Session expiry isn't just the user gets logged out. The real failure is a user opens a protected page with an expired session and the app loops, half loads, or lands in a broken state. So this test checks the clean recovery path. No valid session means we reliably end up back on the sign-in. Now let's go through the key lines in the code quickly. Site-clear cookies removes the session cookie. Site-clear local storage removes any client state that could fake logged in. Then site-visit dashboard deliberately hits a protected route because that's where this bug actually shows up. And the assertion is site location path name should include sign-in, meaning no session, no access, and we redirect cleanly. Run the session test in the Cypress runner, let it finish. So this is exactly what we want. We wipe the session, hit a protected page, and we'll land on sign-in. If your app ever starts looping, half rendering, or fails to redirect, this test catches it immediately. Next is Lockout, because this is where teams either get flaky tests or accidentally stress their own auth in CI. Lockout and throttling are normal in real life. People retry, password managers paste the wrong thing, bots exist. The point is, when attempts get blocked, the UI should fail safely, show a clear message, and stay usable. No crashes, no weird states. Now, the key code lines. We start with let attempts equal 0, just a counter, nothing superstitious. Then sci-intercept post lets us control the backend response. Attempts plus equal 1 tracks retries. If attempts is 5 or more, we return 429 rate limited. Otherwise, we return 401 invalid credentials. And the key check is site contains too many attempts should be visible. That's us verifying the user gets a safe message and the page doesn't break. Run the lockout test in the Cypress runner, let it finish. Perfect. After repeated failures, we hit throttling. The UI stays stable and the user sees a clean next step. Also notice what we didn't do. We didn't rely on a real external system to maybe lock us out. That's how you keep CI stable. Alright, third one is reset, because reset flows are where people get stuck and the UX is usually tragic. Reset links fail all the time. Tokens expire, links get reused, people open them on the wrong device, or they're simply too late. The success criteria isn't reset always works. It's when it fails safely. The message is generic, it doesn't leak details, and it tells the user what to do next. Now, the key code lines. Site-visit reset password with bad token is intentionally a bad token. We fill the new password and confirmation, submit. And the assertion is site contains invalid expired request. That means the UI fails safely and guides the user instead of breaking the flow. Run the reset test in the Cypress runner, let it finish. Nice! We force an invalid token and confirm the UI responds safely. If your reset flow ever leaks details, gets stuck, or doesn't guide the next step, this test catches it. Now zooming out, the reusable pattern across all 3 tests is pick a real failure mode users actually hit. Make it deterministic when you can by controlling inputs or responses. Assert the user visible outcome. That's how you get auth tests that are high signal and stable in CI. Quick hygiene rules. Don't log secrets, use dedicated test accounts with minimal permissions, and don't make external providers your test environment. If you want the starter spec and the auth test matrix template, they're linked below. Also, if you like open source, I maintain SnappyCard. It's an open source card component repo and contributions are welcome. I'll link that too. And if you want more talks and longer breakdowns, check the talk recordings playlist on my channel, plus my website where I keep all the resources in one place. Thank you for watching and see you next time.